Welcome to the Soma Dao Qi Gong teacher training program. In this video, I will describe the 200-hour initial teacher training program step by step. This program has 3 levels and includes 8 individual modules that will be taught mostly live over 12 months. We will begin in March of 2023. The live classes are streamed at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Level 1. The fundamentals of embodied awareness. Most Qigong practices involve standing with poise, active relaxation, rootedness, stillness, presence, and agility, while playfully interacting with your body, the natural world, and the universe around, within, and moving through you. Module 1. Qigong for relaxation, flexibility, and inner alignment. Your Qigong journey begins with learning a series of exercises and skills to gently open all of your joints and meridians while toning and stretching all of your muscles and connective tissues. Module 2. Cultivating Qi awareness and sensitivity. In the endeavors of healing, spiritual reunion, or developing martial arts power, a direct and tangible relationship with Qi is necessary. You will learn the skills used by Chinese medicine practitioners and warrior monks to connect with the Qi of your body and the Qi of the natural world. Module 3. Seated Qigong, breathwork, and Taoist meditation. An important principle in Qigong is called stillness in motion. In life, sometimes the slower and more present you are is what matters the most. Science has confirmed that calm and alert states of stillness and silence can help your nervous system reset itself and your brain physically regenerate, clearly an essential aspect of longevity. Level 2. Traditional forms and applied Qigong principles. In Module 4, you will learn applied principles like the famous Shaolin Jing, or the muscle and tendon transformation and tensegrity process. This is one of the most precious treasures of Qigong knowledge and wisdom. This introduction will prepare you for learning the complete system in Phase 2. From a clinical perspective, the tone, strength, and resilience of your muscles and connective tissue is a primary indicator of overall health and longevity. Module 5. Traditional forms for contemporary teachers. Now it is time to learn the famous Ba Duan Jin, or 8 pieces of brocade, the classic Shaolin form called the 12 gestures of Wei Tuo, which is sometimes referred to as the I Ching Jing form, or the muscle tendon change form, as well as a Taoist form called Tiandi Hui Fa, or balancing heaven and earth, or perhaps bringing harmony to your inner sky and your inner landscape. Level 3. Internal refinement. Module 6. Standing meditation and introductory Neigong. Zhanzhuang, or standing meditation, or standing like a post half buried in the ground, will improve every aspect of your physical, mental, and emotional adaptability and well-being. Neigong, or inner cultivation practice, is a Taoist form of body-centered meditation. Module 7. Silk reeling and whole body connection. This aspect of Qigong is profoundly beneficial for coordination, self-expression, grace, and entering lucid flow states. If you are an athlete, a dancer, or a martial artist, silk reeling is a game changer. Module 8. 5 Animal Qigong for agility and stress release. One of the oldest forms of Qigong is playing like an animal. This opportunity to lose yourself while turning into a panther, a bear, a tortoise, an ape, or even a phoenix can connect you with some deeper instincts and free you from feeling stuck on many, many levels. In indigenous cultures, shapeshifting into an animal is a form of spiritual communion and seeking guidance. Joining the Qigong teacher training program. Again, we will begin in March 2023, and the live classes will be streamed at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I am confident in saying that this is the most in-depth, complete, and balanced Qigong teacher training program available online. If you plan on becoming a certified Qigong teacher, there is an interview process to ensure that this kind of training is safe and appropriate for you at this time. Please contact the Soma Dao Qi Gong Institute if you are interested in training together. If you want to play Qigong together right now, please go to www.qigongcourses.online. There are several free classes to explore. I hope you feel inspired to learn, practice, and possibly even teach Qigong someday. Thank you for watching, and be well in your life.